Good morning, children.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am.
Fine, thank
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Okay. Children, please, start learning. We are going to have one test next week. Okay. So, most probably, we will do chapter 1.1 and 1.2. If possible, we can do chapter 2 also, because today we will finish our chapter 2. And let me see who I want all the children to be. Ananda, please mute. Isha, Angelina, please mute. So, chapter 1.1, 1.2, it will be there. We will see whether we can include chapter 2. So, I want all the children to start revising. Okay, start revising chapter 1 and chapter 2. Very easy chapters, yes? First one was a type
Yes,
of
yes.
angles. And now second one, it's pattern. And today we will complete this chapter 20 and question number 21 and 22 now. And next period we will have some revision about this chapter. Revision about chapter. We have today 2 periods. So next period we can do some revisions of chapter 2.
Okay, ma'am.
2.1 and 2.2. Okay, children? Shall we, can we do question number?
21.
Okay, 21. And I will call the children, those children will unmute and say. Okay, so we are going to do question number 21. All of you, please take question number 21. Okay, Anusri, please unmute and read question number 21. Unmute. 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 Okay, wait. Agni, please unmute. Please unmute.
Ma'am?
Yes, can you read question number 21?
Yes. Find the product of 5 and 4 using a pattern.
Find the product of 5
5
and 4
using a
using a pattern. So find the product of 5 and 4 using a pattern. Isha, please unmute and tell me, what is 5 into 4?
20.
20. 5 into 4 is 20. But we have to find the product using a pattern. Okay. Rohit, please unmute. So,
Yes, ma'am.
what is 5 into 4, Rohit?
20.
20. And anybody can please tell me. Okay, Anthony has raised the hand. Anthony, please on your video. Unmute, Anthony. Unmute. Okay. So, can anybody say, now I have, see Anthony or Rohit, I have said, can you tell me 5 into 4 is 20? Any pattern, it means like that question number 20 we have discussed, no? 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, that is sum of first 4 even numbers is 20. Sum of first 4 even numbers is 20. Okay.
Ma'am, can I say?
Who is that? Ananda.
Can I
Okay.
say?
Okay. Children, please stay. I am going to say the name. Okay, Ananda, please.
Ma'am, can we use the pattern like multiplication?
No, multiply. No, children. It's not. Use sum. We have learned triangular numbers, then triangular numbers, square numbers, patterns in sums.
Patterns in some.
So patterns in sums we are using now, and we have the same like that question number 20, B and
Can
all.
I say?
So can you tell me 5 into 4, 20? Can you add some even numbers? I will ask that
Ma'am, 15
name.
to 40. 5. Ma'am, 15 to 40.
Find the pattern. All of you write in your rough book. 2 plus 4 plus how many even numbers when you add? How many even numbers when you add, you will get?
2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is equal to
8.
20.
So that means how many even numbers? 4 even numbers.
4 even numbers.
4 even numbers. So children, we are going to take that one. All of you.
Rina, this same 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is there in the 20th question B first pattern.
Okay. And children, when you speak, make little more that mic piece, okay? Because that's little disturbing sound. So children, can you write together? We have only 2 questions. We can complete today. So that means sum of first even 4 even numbers. So first, before start writing, we can take 5 into 4 first. Children, you can write with me now. So find the product of 5 and 4. So first we will write what is 5 into 4. All of you know that is 20. 5 into 4 is 20. And we know 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is 20. That is sum of first 4 even numbers. Sum of first 4 even numbers.
Ma'am, we can do
You can write.
Ma'am, we can write with the pen. Plus,
You can with pen. Pen. You can write with pen. All children, please mute. Okay.
Like this itself we can write, right?
Yes. Sum of
Can we
first.
write 2 plus 4?
Sum of first
Ma'am,
4 even
plus 4,
numbers.
10, 10 plus 10, 20.
Sum of first 4 even numbers. That is equal to 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. That is equal to 20. So 5 into 4 is 20. 5 into 4 is 20. And we can write this 20 as the sum of first 4 even numbers. That is a pattern. Sum of first 4 even numbers. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, that is equal to 20.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Who is that? Ayman. Ayman? Who cannot hear me?
I cannot hear you.
Who is that? Tell me your name. Huh?
Ayman.
Ayman.
Ma'am, I cannot hear
I
you.
think almost all the children can hear me, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Who can hear
Ma'am,
me?
we can hear you. Ma'am,
Yes. So may check your net connection, okay, children? So I want all the children
Ma'am,
take
can I leave the
number
meeting and come one more?
22A.
Ma'am, can I leave the meeting and come one time?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you show the 21 one more?
Question number 22A. 5 into 8. Find out sum of first how many even numbers. You can, children. Okay. Now, children, what you have to do is take your rough book. All of you, take out your rough book and first find out what is 5 into 18. Find out the answer alone. And find out the answer alone. Yes, Richard, what do you want to ask me? Unmute and ask.
190.
I told Richard, what you have to do? Please be quiet and find out a pattern. Find out a pattern. Find out how many. Please mute. Richard, please mute. I'm giving all the children to find a pattern like this only. 2 plus 4 plus 6. And you have to find how many even numbers. When you add, you will get the answer as 90. I want all the children to do alone. Because some children, they are not trying and they will be only waiting for the answer. So what do you have to do? Children, you know that is 5 into 18, 90. Everybody know that. Now we want to write this as a pattern. So we want to write this pattern as a sum of even numbers. Now you have to find out how many even numbers when you add you will get. Okay, Richard, wait, okay, Richard. Devak, please unmute. Diya, please unmute. Devak, please unmute. Okay, Diya, unmute. Diya MD. Devak, please unmute and tell me. Can you say? Anandesh, please unmute. Anandesh, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you, Devak also. And tell me, how many even numbers? Did you get the answer?
No, ma'am.
No, wait. Okay. 5 into, Devak man, 5 into 18, what do you got?
90.
90. Find out how many even numbers when you add, you will get. All of you try. How many even numbers when you add, you will get 90? Who can say, raise your hand? Angelina. Okay. Unmute. Okay, unmute.
Ma'am, it is 18 in our workbook. It is 5 into 18 in my workbook.
5 into 18 in everybody's workbook. Find out the answer. Who got the answer? Can you raise your hand? Yes? Yes, Alim. Please unmute and tell me. Did you get the answer? Huh?
Ma'am.
Okay. How many children finished?
Ma'am.
Can you raise your hand?
Ma'am.
Gautam?
Ma'am, I didn't finish. Plus 8, plus 10, plus 12, plus 14, plus 16, plus 18. Is equal to 9.
How many even numbers when you add?
6.
Huh?
Ma'am,
9. Very good. Okay. So children,
Ma'am, can you
next
show the
one,
question
all
once
of you.
more?
Okay. Please mute. Okay. When you say it together, I will not be able to listen. Okay, children, please mute. 5. You will write first 5
40 plus
into
20 plus
18. 5 into
40 plus 20 into 20.
5 into. Please mute. Okay. Please mute. I will ask one by one. Anthony, what is 5 into 18? 5 into 18, Anthony? 90. So 5 into 18 is 90. Now you have to add and tell me 2 plus 4 plus
Ma'am,
6.
Ma'am, excuse
Plus
me, ma'am.
8. Yes,
We should write this.
Huh?
Ma'am, we should write this.
We look at the board. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this, how many even numbers when you add, you will get 90. You have to find like that. Okay. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10, because we are finding a pattern. So children, you have to add. Okay, what is 2 plus 4? 6. Okay, 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. Like that, how many even numbers when you add, you will get the answer as 90. All of you got? Felix, did you get the answer? Yes, Richard got. I understood. Okay. Anusri, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, I am
please
adding. I am adding.
Adding. Okay.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
2 plus. Okay, Dane, you got the answer?
9.
9 even numbers. So till which even number you have to add? Till which even number? Till 20. When you add 20 also you'll get?
Ma'am, 18.
18.
18.
Okay. So children, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. Next even number is 12. Then add 14. Then add 16. Then add 18. Now check whether you are getting 90 as the answer. 2 plus 4,
Ma'am, I got
6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 20 plus 10, 30. 30. Again 30 plus 12, it's 42. 42 plus 14, 52 plus 4, that is 56. Now 56 plus 6, 62 plus 10, 72. Now 72 plus 10, 82 plus 8, that is 90. So children, what you can write? This pattern is sum of all the children. You can write the step like this. This is equal to 90. So sum of first, how many count? 1. Count the numbers. How many numbers?
9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 even. First 9 even numbers. Sum of first 9 even numbers. So this question is 5 into 18. Question is find the products using pattern. So we have find the product. What is find the product? 5 into 18, that is 19. Now we had to write this 19 as the sum of, we had to write this as a pattern. So what is the pattern here? Sum of first 9 even numbers. Children, do you understood? Is there any doubt? You have to raise the hand. Is there any doubt?
Ma'am, I didn't finish the question.
You can complete. You have the workbook with you, Ayman?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ammo, please unmute and say, Ammo. Over your answer.
Yes,
you have
ma'am.
any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. So children, everybody know how to make the product. 18 into 5, that is 90. So what you have to do is, you have to write this as a pattern. So pattern, now we are using all these patterns with even numbers. So we have to find out how many even numbers when you add, you are getting 90. Who is, yes, tell me who is, raise your hand. Ammo, yes.
Ma'am, should it always be first even numbers?
No, we had to find out. So here we have 5 into 18. So that is 90. So that is also an even number. Now, since we have the patterns like question number 20 also like this, we are trying with this. So we have, in this chapter, we have only 2-3 examples like this with some with patterns with sums. All these are even numbers. All these are even numbers. So next one is also, what you have to do? 5 into 22. First find the answer. And that is also sum of even numbers. Sum of even numbers. Now you have to find out.
Ma'am, 2
Okay,
plus
children,
4
can you do?
plus
Richard,
18.
wait, please. Okay, Richard, maybe you have finished. Please wait. And all the children do alone question number 22B. First, you have to, what do you have to do? 22 multiplied by 5.
Ma'am, I found the answer.
Okay, please wait. Okay, Ananda, please wait. Let everyone
Okay,
come.
ma'am.
So next one, I hope this you have finished already. So what you have to do is B. Question number B.
Ma'am, first number. New numbers.
Ma'am,
Wait.
Ma'am.
Okay. First, you have to do B. What is 5 into 22? I will ask. What is 5 into 22? Let me ask. Okay, Agni, wait. Let me see another person's.
110.
110.
Richard over. Okay. Now, Madhav. Madhav, can you say 5 into 22? What is 22 into 5?
110.
110. 110.
110. Very good. 110. 110. All of you got the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So now
Yes,
what you have to
ma'am.
do? You have to try with how many even numbers when you add.
Ma'am.
Don't say the answer. I have the name with me. Now next one, I will wait for Chinmay. Okay, I will wait for Chinmay. Till that time, all the children try to find a pattern. And this also pattern with even numbers. Pattern adding the sums of first how many you have to find out. Okay, Chinmay? Over?
First 10.
10?
First 10.
10 even numbers.
Numbers.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, children, so can we write the pattern?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we are going to write.
Ma'am.
So adding 2 plus 4 plus 6 You have to add how many? Anusri, how many even numbers?
10.
10. Okay. So 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. You have to add 12 plus 14. Which is the last number you have to write?
20.
20. Okay, 20. So the answer you got, that is 110.
10.
110. So we can write
Sum of first
this
and
5 into
numbers.
22 is the sum of first 10 even numbers. That is equal to sum of first. I can write with another pen.
Violet.
Sum of
First 10 numbers.
10 even numbers. Don't forget
Okay.
even. Sum of first 10 even
Even numbers.
numbers. First 10 even
Even
numbers. So you know that children, when you add, that is the sum is even. So we are trying. Okay, how many numbers when we add? You are getting 110. You have to find. Now children, you can do alone. Last 5 into 18 was 90, and that was the sum of first.
Not yet.
How many even numbers? 9. So that is 90. So here 110. So 90 plus 20, that is very easy, no? Because you have already added first 9 even numbers. You have already added first 9 even numbers and you got the answer as 90. Now the 10th even number is 20. So you can directly add 90 plus 20 is 110. Okay, children? Is there any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No?
No.
Okay, so I hope all of you have completed this workbook from question number 1 to 22. 1 to 22, all the questions. Yes?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Simon.
Ma'am, I didn't complete the 21st question because I had a connectivity problem.
Okay, now you can complete it now. The same like this. Only 1 minute it will take. Same pattern. First write 5 into 4. First write 5 into 4. What is 5 into 4? Bright. All others please wait, and Brightlin unmute and help Ayman. What is 5 into 4?
Ma'am, 20.
20. Now Brightlin will help. Brightlin,
Yes, ma'am.
how you got 20? By adding how many even numbers?
20.
It is question number 21.
Ma'am,
Just
2
now we
plus
have
4
completed.
plus 6 plus 8.
Very good. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. That is equal to 20. Ayman, can you count how many even numbers? Ayman?
Ma'am, four even
4
numbers.
even numbers. So we have to write how the sum of
Sum of
first
four
4
even
even numbers.
numbers.
This pattern is sum of first 4 even numbers. Okay, children. Now I want you to, it's a homework. You can write in the rough book. Right now,
Excuse me,
homework.
ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Anandesh.
Anandesh, tell me.
Ma'am, in the question number 20B, I had a doubt. So I
Okay,
didn't
ask me.
write.
Yes, ask me.
Ma'am, 22, ma'am, 32 plus 34 plus 36 plus 38 is 120 or 140. Sorry,
Can you just
140
now
or
add and tell
120.
me? Yes, Anandesh.
Ma'am, when I add it is 140. If it
140
correct.
is the answer. 140
Okay.
is the answer.
Ma'am, then the second one will be.
Huh?
Ma'am, second one will be like we should add plus even numbers.
Even numbers. How many even numbers when you have to add, Anandesh? Tell me. Next one. How many even numbers?
First even number.
First number B start with 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Then how it's added, the next pattern, how you are getting when you are adding by 10. That is 12 plus 14 plus 16 plus 18. Now next one is 22 plus 24 plus 26 plus 28. That is the question. So what will be next? 32. That is the even numbers between all the children. There is a pattern. Not even we are just adding 10. That is the even numbers between 30
Excuse
and
me, ma'am.
40. 30 and 40. So Anandesh.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, who is that? 1 minute. Okay, let
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the 20th question.
Ayman, please wait. Ayman, please wait. Please mute. I'm speaking to Anandesh, no? If you're speaking in between, Anandesh will not understand what he's done. So Anandesh, so 32 plus 34 plus 36 plus 38. What do you got the answer?
I got 120. After that, I got 140.
Now is the doubt is clear. Now all of you.
No,
40.
ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
140? Yes.
Ma'am,
Anandesh,
but in
next one.
the
42 plus.
excuse me.
1 minute. 42 plus 44
Ma'am,
plus.
I have doubt. Ma'am, one more doubt.
Ah.
Ma'am, but in here, when they gave the example 2 plus 4 like that, from there they didn't give 40. In that they gave 20, then 60, then 100.
There is no need to no need to see that pattern. What you have to look at the pattern. First one. Okay, Anandesh, just all of you please listen how the pattern is going. First 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8, that is even numbers between 10 and 20. No need to include 10, no, 0 and 10. Second one, even numbers between 10 and 20. No need to include 10 and no need to include 20. Please mute. Please mute. Someone is opening and Alim. Okay. So the next one is the even numbers between 20 and 30. 20 and 30. 20 and 30. Now what we are doing, the answer should be one is even numbers between 30 and 40, and the next one will be between 40 and 50. So what you have to do, you have to add all the numbers and write the answer. So what is the first one? 140. What is the second one? 180. Got? Anandesh? Anandesh?
Ma'am, I didn't do the second term.
Second one, you have to observe the next two patterns. Okay, so one is 140, the next one is, the sum is 180. Okay, now Ayman, where is Ayman?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask your doubt.
Ma'am, on the 20th question B, first one's answer is 140.
Yes, 140.
And the second one is 180.
Yes, 180.
Ma'am, this was the doubt.
This was the doubt, and that was I explaining to Anandesh. No, that what you have to do, you have to please wait and listen. Okay, children, now take out your rough book. We are going to write some homeworks. Okay, all of you please write, and this homework is not in the workbook, it is on rough book. Please take. So first one is write the sum of first 5 odd numbers. Children, please write. Find the answer using pattern. The sum of first 5 odd numbers. Sum of first 5 odd numbers.
Ma'am, I finished the answer.
Wait. So question number 1, find the sum of.
And we can see.
Find the pattern, then first.
Find the sum of. Can you see Richard now? First 5 odd numbers. And second one, find the same sum of first 9 odd numbers. Anusri, what are odd numbers? Can you say what are odd numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
1, 3, 5.
5, 7, 9, like that. Okay. So children, is that clear? The homework we have for some of first 5 odd numbers
Ma'am,
and some of
second question. I did not show the second question.
9. First 9. Okay.
Second one find sum of the first.
First 9 odd numbers. 9.
Only 2 questions?
Only 2 questions. Okay, children.
Okay,
5 and 9. And please try to revise chapter 2 for the next class. Okay, children. Bye. Bye.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Bye 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 ma'am. Bye ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Second
homework. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.